Okay, so I've just peeked my head up into this attic hatch, and what you see here is the typical mouse evidence. So there's a tunnel right there going through the insulation. There's a tunnel right there going through the insulation. There's a tunnel right there going through the insulation. You got mouse poop right there, mouse poop right there, mouse poop right there. And just everywhere you look, like there's some urine staining right there. There's a little bed down in there. You can see the discoloration. There's not much room to sneak up in here, but I'm going to go all the way up. A customer hears the noise in the daughter's room, which I'm actually in right now. I don't know how am I going to sneak in here? I think I got to go this way. Ow! Just got stuck by a nail. I got no room to move up here. Okay. There's some bat poop right there.
Yeah, bat too, yeah.
I don't know how I'm going to get up here. Oh.
You will not walk on the drywall, right?
No, I'm not walking on the drywall.
Okay.
Thanks for your concern, though, Myron. There's a stud right there.
Yeah, stud, yeah.
Okay. So I am in. Another mouse tunnel right there. Another mouse tunnel right there. Everywhere you look, you see poop, 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 poop. Yeah, there's just another mouse tunnel there. Mouse tunnels everywhere you look. Stink bug right there. Yeah, so I'm deep in the attic now. Mouse tunnel right in that corner. Look at this. Let me make sure I'm on a stud there. Yep. This is a strange attic. What's that? Oh, yeah. Look at this mouse tunnel right in the corner. Yeah, these guys have just mice. There's just no... I'm standing in the area where the daughter hears noise. Hey, Myron.
Yeah.
I'm going to do a test right now.
Okay.
So I'm 10 feet from the hatch. So basically here I am. Listen to my sound.
Okay.
Hear that?
Yeah.
How loud is that? So all I was doing there, I'm going to make room. Hold on. So they have a ton of insulation up here. Yeah, great thing. Yeah. So Myron, all I'm doing right now is taking my flashlight and I can't even get to the bottom.